Hi everyone, it's Michelle from the Manhattan-Elwood Public Library with another SIP Science experiment. I'm excited about this one today because we're going to make a bottle rocket blaster. And this is an experiment that once you do it one time, you can try it multiple times with the same blaster. So to get started, we have to actually make our rocket. You're going to need a plastic bottle. You're going to need some duct tape or masking tape, the strongest tape you have. You'll need 3 pencils and some sort of stopper. I've got a cork here. For the rest of the experiment, you'll need baking soda, a bit of paper towel, and some vinegar. But to get started, let's go ahead and make our blaster. To build our tripod, you'll need 12 inches of that duct tape, about an arm's length. And then you're going to wrap it around the pencils so that they stick facing the mouth of the bottle. So you're going to turn it upside down because that's going to be how it launches. So let's see if we can wrap that around. And put the other one on and wrap that around. And try to get them as equidistant down as you can so that when it stands, they're all pretty much the same length. There we go. There we go. One rocket. Ready to go. All right, now we're going to turn it upside down and we're going to fill it about halfway with our vinegar. Now, when vinegar and baking soda combine, they produce CO2, carbon dioxide gas. And that expands and expands and expands, and eventually our cork will pop off and hopefully our rocket blaster will take off. So let's go ahead and fill it up halfway with vinegar. All right, I'm going to give it a little bit more just in case. I want to make sure it really takes off. All right, then we're going to take about a tablespoon of baking soda and put it in our paper towel. Now the best paper towel you can use is the thinnest one you've got. So if you have a 2-ply paper towel, make sure you try to pull them apart before you use it. Here I have mine and I'm pulling it apart. So I'm only going to use 1 ply. That way it absorbs more quickly before takeoff. So 1 tablespoon right in the middle, and then we're going to bundle that up. Try not to tear it though, because we don't want it to start absorbing into the vinegar before we're ready. Now the next part you're going to want to do outside. So we're gonna pause for a minute and I'll meet you guys outside. But before we do that, to take this experiment further, once you get done with this first try, you can try different amounts of vinegar to baking soda and see if you can get it to go higher or take off faster. You can even try different temperatures of the vinegar to see if that affects it at all. But first, let's start by watching the basic experiment outside. All right, so now it's time to try our experiment outside. You're going to start by taking your baking soda packet, putting it inside the blaster. Then we're going to cork it, give it a quick shake, and then turn it upside down. We're going to do this really quickly. All right, so putting that inside. Corking it, giving it a shake. Ah! Well, it worked. So my experiment didn't go very far or very high. So if you want to take it a little further, like we talked about, try playing with the amounts of baking soda you're using with the amounts of vinegar. Good luck, and let me know in the comments how yours works out.